Voluntary car repossession. What is it? Why would you want to do something like that? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and we're going to try to answer that question on this video today. Why would you ever want to voluntarily give your car back to the creditor, back to the person that you owe for it? Well, one reason really. You can't make the payments. You can no longer pay for it. Something happened in your life. You had a medical problem. You got laid off. Your wife got laid off. Something like that that affected your income and your ability to make the payments on that car, and you want to avoid the embarrassment of having a wrecker come out to your driveway and tow it away, or worse, to your place of business, which happens from time to time. And you want to avoid the headache and the hassle of having to go through having the repo man out looking for your car, so you just give it back. Well, that doesn't completely absolve your liability. Let's say that you owed $15,000 on that car and you give it back. The creditor sells it. He'll usually sell it at auction, to an auction where mostly dealers show up. They want to buy the car at wholesale and sell it at retail. So they buy it at wholesale, and let's say they pay $10,000 for it. You still owe $5,000, which if you do not pay, that creditor is going to possibly file a lawsuit against you. You might get a wage garnish, but take 25% of your wages. Those are all things to happen, and they might happen whether you voluntarily give it back or whether they take it against your will. You can stop all that by doing a bankruptcy. Either a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 will stop the creditor's efforts to collect that debt from you. That's something you might want to think about, folks.